Resilience is a word you hear thrown around a lot related to divorce. I have to tell you though, as somebody who went through my own divorce, resilience is truly what it is about. At the time you're going through divorce, you barely can see just 1 foot ahead of you. You are filled with anger and despair, and you have no idea how you're paying your rent the next month, or how you're putting food on the table for your children, or you're, worried about your legal bills. How are you going to be paying your legal bills? Everything is just so up in the air. And it is amazing to be able to go through that process and get to the other side and actually realize not only how much stronger you are, but how much better off you are. And your future can be so bright on the other side. I get asked all the time about how did I go from, somebody who evacuated New Orleans at Hurricane Katrina time with $150 in my pocket to now running a multi-million-dollar family law firm. Resilience is the answer. Not giving up, knowing that there's always a solution, nothing is impossible. And I have to tell you, one of the books that I read early on has been so instrumental to me, and it's called Relentless Solution Focus by Dr. Jason Selk. And I know you all can relate to this. When you find yourself kind of spinning and feeling anxious and stressed, if you can just ask yourself one question: what is the one thing I can do in this moment to move myself forward? It completely takes your spiral and your anxiety into solution focused. Your brain cannot hold a spiral and anxiousness with a solution focused thing. So once you switch and you get into solution focus, you start problem solving. And I think that that has been one of the secrets to my success, my ability to just keep moving forward. If I catch myself spiraling, I stop, I ask myself that super simple question: what is the one thing I can do to move myself forward? And once I start asking, then I just start solving things.